How do you recommend people best learn from the Comprehensible Input videos? I just highlight words on LinkU and listen to it slowly. Hey, I do need to put the new ones on LinkU. I still have not done that. Yeah, for total beginners, LinkU would be a great option if they have LinkU. Well, let me answer the question first before I try to find my way down again. Yeah, probably LinkU would be like the real basic one for comprehensible input, like to learn to use the comprehensible input. That would be a great starting point if you like to learn with translation. Otherwise, I always put subtitles. So the next step up from Link would be trying to understand it with only the subtitles, like understanding the video only with the subtitles, and maybe then look up the words you did not understand when you go through it a second time. And maybe for the third level, trying to understand it without the subtitles, then maybe in a second watch through, try to understand with the subtitles to get all the ones that you have missed. And maybe no, there should not be any higher level than that. If you can understand everything without subtitles, you should be fine, I think. Then it's probably trying to actively use it. And for that, the German streams would be great to just try and type in German, or if you want to get something off your chest or just want to practice anything, you can just write into the Discord and actively use German, because active use of language is still a higher level than passive use of language. So I think that would be the levels from easiest to highest. So LinkU would be the starting point or the easiest one, then with subtitles, then without subtitles, and then active use in the link in the Discord or in the chat. Yeah, or watching the streams. 2 hours, the German streams, 2 hours of German input without subtitles and interaction. That would be pretty hard. Yeah, so that would probably be the levels that I can think of on how to use the comprehensible input. I hope that helps. And of course, if you still are on the level of trying to hear where one word ends and another one starts, you can listen to it on repeat to just get a feel for the language. That could be before LinkU, but yeah, if you try to actively learn it, you probably are starting to get a feel for it already. So try to understand the meaning of what is said from the context first before looking it up. Yeah, I think trying to understand the language first before looking it up would kind of help with retaining the word. Because if you look it up, then you did not use your own brain to come up with the solution. But if you come up with the solution yourself, then I think it would be more ingrained into your brain. So yeah, the more effort you put in, the more your brain is probably gonna retain it. When you walk up to the pig and say Schwein and oink oink, I can fill in the blank. Yeah, that's how comprehensible input works. I'm still learning how to do it, but yeah, that's the principle of comprehensible input. That you are supposed to be able to fill out blank.